8 tiny habits, 4 weeks, and your life is gonna feel different. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you're watching The Desired Taste. This is Akanksha. So it's almost end of the year and we have exactly 30 days left till New Year. Instead of waiting for January 1 to magically change my life, I am starting now. It takes 21 days to build a habit and we have 30. That's more than enough. These 30 days are going to be my life reset. Routine, habit, space, and mindset. Everything changed. I am doing an easy 30-day reset divided into 4 weeks and 8 simple things you can do with me. So if you're watching this video, you are resetting your life for 2026 with me. You just have to do 2 things per week. That sounds easy, right? In 7 days, you can of course do 2 things at least for yourself. So that's easy. I think you can do it. So the first task, that is step 1, will be declutter your space. Just clean one small area, be it your desk, your makeup vanity, your room, your wardrobe, anything. Cleaning shifts your whole energy. Decluttering gives you a very clear mindset and you instantly feel good and you start focusing on your work. So you should definitely do it. Step 2 is digital detox. Delete photos, clear your inbox, remove apps that you don't use, and unfollow negativity. Seriously, unfollow people who are no longer good for you. Cut the ties off with negative people. Don't carry forward any negativity into 2026. Suppose you are going through a heartbreak or a friendship break, जिसकी भी गलती हो, doesn't matter. Don't carry forward any negativity या कुछ भी जो आपको परेशान करती हो, उसको आप 2025 में ही छोड़ दो. Don't carry it forward to 2026. I want you to step into 2026 with clear mind, positive attitude, positive people around you, no negativity. So just clear it, delete the photos, cut the ties off and just block them. Literally block. I was a big time people pleaser, guys. If you know me, you know that I cannot say no to people. I was like that, but slowly I am changing it because I know in the longer run it's not good for me. I am giving people the exact energy they are giving me. Nothing more, nothing less, because that's how it should be. So step 3 is fixing your mornings. Morning play a major role in how your entire day goes. Morning sets the tone for entire day. That's exactly true, guys. If you get up in the morning and you start using your phone, that's gonna shape your entire day. Whole day you will be lazy, whole day you will be unproductive. Get up, meditate for some time, stretch for a few minutes. If you go to the gym or yoga or Pilates, anything, go there. Drink healthy, make your own bed, do these things in morning and just see कि कैसा change आता है आपके life में. आप सुबह अगर प्रोडक्टिव रहोगे तो आपका पूरा दिन आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं वेस्ट ना करूं, कुछ अच्छा करूं. सेम थिंग गोज फॉर नाइट ऑल्सो. स्टेप 4 इज फिक्सिंग योर नाइट. नाइट्स आर मेंट टू बी फॉर स्लोइंग डाउन. बिफोर यू गो टू बेड, डू स्किन केयर, रीड अ बुक, जर्नल फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स, प्रिपेयर टू डू लिस्ट फॉर टुमारो. नो डूम स्क्रोलिंग, गाइस. तो भी आप देखोगे ना, वही आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में चलते रहता है एंड देन सेम चीज वो आपके कभी कभी ड्रीम्स में आ जाते हैं. इट शिफ्ट्स योर होल एनर्जी वेरी निगेटिवली. सो यू शुडंट डू दैट. डोंट डूम scroll at night. Don't keep watching reels and reels. No phone for 30 minutes at least when you wake up in the morning or when you are going to bed. स्टेप 5 इज जर्नलिंग. जर्नल से मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक दिन पहले का या उस दिन के बारे में लिखना. आई मीन बेसिकली आपके क्या प्लान थे इस पूरे ईयर के लिए, क्या आपके लिए काम आया क्या नहीं. जस्ट राइट डाउन व्हाट यू वांट फॉर 2026 एंड व्हाट यू हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम 2025. चेक योर विजन बोर्ड ऑफ 2025. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर देयर विल बी एटलीस्ट वन थिंग दैट यू स्टिल हैवंट स्टार्टेड एंड दैट्स completely okay because I also have so many things which I haven't started. I have been postponing it for so long. Instead of stressing about the whole goal, ask yourself what's the simplest and smallest thing you can do to achieve that goal right now. Start doing that. Suppose it is making a YouTube video. Open your book and just write down the title of the video which you want to make. For me, it was starting something of my own. I had this vision for I guess 2 years, but still I am not able to do that. I don't know, I'm scared of failing, scared of people's judgment, scared of people having opinions about me. I'm just scared and I was procrastinating it and I was not doing anything. That what's the simplest and smallest thing which I can do right now. I forced myself to do that and that's when it started feeling real. Baby step counts, so you should definitely do that. You should just take that first step. The whole point is not to finish the goal today. The point is to start today. Step 6 is work on a skill. For me, it was YouTube. For you, it can be anything. Reading, cooking, starting your fitness journey, starting a new business. Just work on that skill. One skill which is needed for that. Just start working on that for 30 days. Step 7 is tracking yourself and planning reset. Check where you stand right now, your habit, your routine, your wins. Just look at what's working for you and what's not working for you, and what do you want to continue doing and what should you stop doing in order to achieve that goal. Put a tab on your do's and don'ts. Do that and plan your January accordingly. Then step 8 is creating your own vision board. Could be anything, your mood board, Pinterest board, or even a simple list of things that you want for yourself. Last year, I made my first ever vision board and I made it as a wallpaper of my phone. I just wanted to give it a try that if it works, and it actually works. When you see it every day, your subconscious mind is feeding your brain and you start working for it knowingly or unknowingly. I don't know what happens. So many things in my vision board has been completed. It could be anything. Maybe a phone you want, a trip with your family, career goals. I had so many things also which I wanted to achieve, and personal goals also. So personal also I have achieved few. And to give you an example, I just wanted this mic. So this was on my vision board and I actually got it. Once you start making a vision board and you start seeing it every day, your subconscious mind gets attracted towards it and you knowingly or unknowingly start working towards it. It's gonna be yours, guys. So you should definitely create a vision board. It's highly recommended because it has happened with me. I'm gonna make a physical vision board this year. Previously I just made a wallpaper. I want it to be real, which I can touch and feel. I'll try to make a video of that also. That's it. This was the 8 simple things to do before the year ends. Let's enter 2026 with best version of ourselves, one small habit at a time. 2026 will be ours. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you really did, like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're resetting your life with me, comment reset. See you in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye. Love you.